Hello, welcome. So, in the previous video, I did say I was gonna make a new video when I hit 1K. Well, guess what? We're not there yet. We're not even close to being there yet. We're actually negative from our previous video. The market's been very complicated on February, the month of February. And now that we're in March, it doesn't get any better. It's been kind of crappy right now, the market still. So, we're still trading. We're still trying our best. I'll show you my spreadsheet and everything I've done. I'm taking a little break on spreads just because usually we want to see some type of market direction, but it hasn't been easy. It's been a journey, you know. I never said it was easy, but I didn't think it was gonna be this complicated because I heard, well, they say spreads are really like conservative and very safe. Yeah, that thing just still hits hard when you take an L. Um, but we're not gonna give up. I'm still trading on my scalping account, which is also taking a hit, but we're not giving up. You know, we're just trying to wait it out a bit, and I'll show you guys my progress right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my spreadsheet for my account for spreads only. I have a different spread sheet for my scalping and swing account, and I do use a website as well to document everything. So for spreads, as you guys can see right here, I've showed this in the previous video as well. So as you can see right here, I've taken a good amount of trades in February, and the majority of them were actually green. It just happened to be that the last week or so, I've had some difficulties on finding consistency and green trades. When the market was not that bad, I was taking some risky trades here and there. The probability of the trade was like 60% to 70%, and typically we go for 75% to 80%. So I was going more on the risky side. It was more risk and more reward, and they were actually working out pretty well. So I guess I decided to keep on going with that routine, and obviously when the risk outweighed the reward, I started taking the bigger L. And that's when it got a little bit more complicated, and I started taking bigger losses. As you guys can see right here, the losses pretty much outweigh my winners in a small handful of losses. And that's the problem with my strategy. Not the strategy itself, but me being dumb and not being smart when it comes to taking the losses. Like right here, I did wait till expiration, and I did end up breaking even. That's probably my best trade. Although I did not make any money, I was down pretty much 100% of the actual trade. And because I held it till expiration and I was going off of the price action, it actually broke me even. I was going to do that with DKG as well, DKNG, but it had earnings on Friday. So I did not want to risk it dumping on the earnings and I get caught on that trade and I lose it all. I mean, to be honest, I should have done that at that point because I was already down like 80%. But I decided not to do it because it wasn't part of my actual plan. I was not planning on holding it even that long. I was hoping for a quick little 40 to 50, 60% return and just get out, take some profits. I don't hold them to 100%. It's more risk for me, but I didn't see green at all. It's just I got in and just started dumping. The market started doing its BS again. So okay, so the next video I'm gonna upload will be either when I hit 1K or an update video, whatever comes first. I'm not trying to be like pessimistic or whatever the word is, but I feel like I'll probably make another update video because the market doesn't look that promising right now. It's a lot of chop. A lot of stuff is reopening, right? The economy is quote unquote getting better, but at the moment the treasury yield and the stimulus package and then all this other stuff is affecting the market pretty badly. The fear of inflation, and then all these meme stocks that started occurring in February are still kind of going back up right now. And usually whenever those rally, the market takes a hit. I guess due to liquidation of hedge funds. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't really looked into that, but it's gonna be a journey, and it's pretty interesting because there's never a single day. There's no identical day in the market. Some days we have choppy price action. The next day we have choppy price action. Then the next month it's garbage. So I'm just being hopeful right now. Let's see what happens. All right. Thank you for watching.